Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use CapCut template on TikTok. Scrolling your TikTok FYP is a foolproof way to find fun and relevant CapCut templates. Here's how to spot them in a few steps. Step 1. Download CapCut. Head to the App Store or Play Store and download CapCut. You'll need the app to access your template finds. Step 2. Find a CapCut template. Scroll your FYP until you come across a video with a CapCut. Try this template sticker. Tip: if you see the same CapCut template appear in your feed over and over, it could indicate that it's trending. Step 3. Use CapCut template. Simply tap the CapCut, try this template, sticker, then use template in CapCut to open the CapCut app. Tap use template once more in CapCut, and just like that, you're ready to customize it. And tip: if you're not ready to use the template, tap the save button on the TikTok video instead to save it for later. CapCut is a free video editing platform best known for its viral TikTok templates. From memes to AI transformations, CapCut has a pool of free templates users can recreate for their own content, including ones from popular TikTok creators. However, it's important to note that the CapCut templates are only available in certain regions. This could be due to restrictions where you reside. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.